Hey, did you know? The word laksa comes from Sanskrit and means 100,000. Fitting, isn't it? The flavor is as rich as 1,000,000 ingredients and spices combined. Centuries ago, traders from China, India, and Europe traveled to Southeast Asia, bringing their spices and culinary traditions. Influenced by spices, herbs, and seasonings from many cultures, the Peranakans, a community of Chinese and Malay heritage, created this dish. Made with coconut milk, turmeric, and chili, it has a uniquely rich and aromatic flavor. In Singapore, we have Katong Laksa, while in Malaysia, there's Assam Laksa. They taste completely different. Katong Laksa is creamy with coconut milk, while Assam Laksa has a tangy kick from tamarind. In the past, laksa was eaten only with a spoon. In Singapore, we made it even easier by cutting the noodles shorter. The name laksa may have multiple origins. Some say it comes from the Sanskrit word laksha, 100,000, while others believe it comes from the Persian word laksa, many ingredients. Today, laksa is loved worldwide, inspiring fusion dishes and even instant versions. Laksa has become one of Southeast Asia's most iconic dishes. Its incredible complexity is thanks to the influence of so many different cultures. Join us on the next flavorful adventure, where every bite tells a story.